Once upon a time, in the heart of an enchanted forest, there lived a beautiful little girl named Lily and her magical white bunny Moonbeam. One day, a mischievous group of pixies cast a spell of silence over the land, causing all the forest creatures to lose their voices. Determined to help her friends, Lily and Moonbeam set out on a quest to find the source of the enchantment. Along the way, they encountered a wise old fox who guided them through the shadowed path.
Did you like what you just saw? Well, you're not alone. People absolutely love watching these animated short stories. And here's the best part. You can create videos like this without any animation skills, using only AI tools. In this video, I'll show you how to make eye-catching animated shorts using just 3 tools, but we're not stopping there. I'll also reveal 3 powerful methods to make serious money from these videos across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. No fancy software, no complex skills needed, just your creativity and these AI tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start creating content people love and turning it into a real income stream. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect script. Let's head over to Gravity Write, your new best friend. Once you are in the interface, go to chat over here and ask for a classic nature-inspired fairy tale in 1 paragraph featuring a beautiful little girl and her magical white bunny. Let's see what we get. Wow, look at that! Gravity Write whipped up a charming tale about a beautiful little girl named Lily and her magical white bunny, Moonbeam. They go on an adventure to restore music to a silent forest, befriending various woodland creatures along the way. I love how this turned out. It's perfect for our video. Pro tip: if you're not satisfied with the first result, just regenerate or tweak your prompt. Sometimes I add specifics like with a moral lesson about kindness or featuring magical forest creatures to get exactly what I want. Step 2. Visualizing the story. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life visually. We'll use Gravity Write to generate compelling image prompts. Start by navigating back to the home page and scrolling down to the Filmmaking Tools section. From there, click on Image Generation Prompt. This tool will help us create powerful prompts to ensure visual consistency across our images. Note: for quick access to Gravity Write, check the link in the description. Once you're in the interface, input fantasy for the genre. For the film style, choose 2D animation or fantasy illustration. For this project, we'll select 2D animation. Then, paste our story into the designated field and click Create Content. Prepare to be amazed. Gravity Write will generate detailed prompts for each scene of our story, providing a rich visual foundation for our project. These prompts will guide our AI image generation tools, ensuring each scene captures the essence of our fantasy narrative while maintaining a cohesive visual style throughout. By using this tool, we're streamlining the pre-visualization process and setting the stage for a visually stunning and consistent animated fantasy project. Next for our image, we'll head over to Leonardo AI. I absolutely love this tool for its ease of use and stunning results. If you don't already have an account, I have linked this in the description for your convenience. Choose Image Creation on the left. Now, here's a personal preference. I always go for 4 images per prompt as it gives more options to choose. For aspect ratio, we go with 9:16 as this is the perfect size for shorts, but if you're making longer form content, stick with 16.9. Style-wise, we chose the 3D animation option. It gives that Pixar-like feel that viewers love, perfect for our story. Then copy and paste the image prompt from Gravity Write, one after the other. Let's generate our first image. Wow, look at Lily and Moonbeam in that enchanted forest. The detail is incredible. Keep repeating the process for all our prompts. Quick tip: always upscale your chosen image. It takes a few extra seconds but makes a world of difference in the final product. We click on Upscale here to upscale them one at a time. Step 3. Adding motion magic. Now, let's bring these images to life. For this, we will use Leonardo AI's animation feature. This is my personal favorite for its simplicity. Go to your personal feed and click on the first image. Choose the motion setting. I usually set the motion between 4 and 7. Let's go with 6 for this forest scene. And voila! Look at those leaves rustling and Moonbeam's ears twitching. It's subtle but effective. We'll continue doing this for the rest of the scenes. If you're finding value in this tutorial so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more viral content tips. Step 4. Voicing your story. Now it's time to bring our story to life with a captivating voiceover. For this, we're going to use my absolute favorite tool, 11 Labs. Trust me, the quality is on another level. First, head over to 11labs.io using the link in the description and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the text-to-speech option. Now, let's paste our story into the text box. Here's where the magic happens. 11 Labs offers an incredible range of ultra-realistic voices. For our Enchanted Forest tale, I'm leaning towards the Rachel voice. It has this warm, gentle quality that I think perfectly captures the essence of our story. Pro tip, play around with the settings. I usually bump up the stability to about 75% for a more consistent delivery, and I set the clarity plus similarity enhancement to around 65% for that extra touch of realism. And shortly, 11 Labs will fetch us our voice. Now that we have our professional voiceover from 11 Labs, it's time for the final step, bringing everything together in CapCut. First things first, let's import our 11 Labs voiceover. Just drag and drop the audio file onto your timeline. Now here's a game-changing tip I've learned through countless hours of editing. Always, and I mean always, trim any dead air from your voiceover track. This keeps the pacing tight and viewers glued to their screens. In CapCut, you can easily do this by splitting the audio clip and removing the silent parts. Trust me, this small step makes a world of difference in engagement. First, let's arrange our clips to match the voiceover. First, import your generated clip and arrange them properly on the timeline. Then add auto captions. This is non-negotiable for me. It boosts engagement and accessibility. For text effects, I will go with the pop-up and bounce animations. They add energy without being distracting. Go to Basic, change the color to yellow, and drag the text to the middle. Now, transitions. I like to mix it up, but for this story, let's go with a gentle dissolve between scenes. It matches the dreamy forest vibe. Also, go to animation for each scene and add one of the combo animation. For this video, I will choose this. Do this for all your clips. Here's a personal touch I always add: subtle effects on each clip. For this Enchanted Forest story, I'm adding a slight sparkle effect to enhance the magical feel. And don't forget to apply a clear filter to the entire video. It ties everything together beautifully. Last but not least, music. For this, I'm choosing a soft, whimsical melody. Remember, keep it low, about 10 to 15% volume. We want to hear that captivating voiceover. Once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export your masterpiece. In CapCut, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution. I recommend 1080p for the best balance of quality and file size. Give your video a name, select your save location, and hit that export button. Now, I promised to reveal 3 methods to monetize these videos, didn't I? I've got 3 killer strategies that can turn these animated shorts into some serious cash flow. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going cross-platform. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, we're hitting them all. Why? Because each platform opens up different money-making avenues. All right, let's talk about strategy number 1, platform-specific programs. This is where things get exciting. Once you hit those YouTube milestones, you'll be able to tap into AdSense. That's when you really start seeing your hard work pay off. And TikTok? They've got this amazing creativity program that can really boost your earnings. Now, Instagram might not have direct monetization yet, but don't underestimate it. The exposure you get there can be absolutely incredible for growing your audience and catching the eye of potential sponsors. It's all about playing the long game. Next up is affiliate marketing, and it's a game changer. You can create these AI storybooks based on your videos, list them on Amazon, and promote them to your growing audience. It's like having your own digital bookstore. People are making a killing publishing these kinds of books on Amazon, and for you, it's a potential goldmine because you've already built an audience hungry for your content. Your viewers love your stories. Now they can own them. It's that simple and that powerful. Last but not least, brand collaborations. Once you've built a solid following, companies will be lining up to work with you. Or better yet, reach out to brands you love. I've seen creators pocket anywhere from a few hundred to a couple grand per video. It's all about knowing your worth and flexing those negotiation muscles. And there you have it. Ready to turn your creativity into real cash? Hit subscribe and let's make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, a quick like and subscribe goes a long way. Now, let's check out our finished masterpiece.
Once upon a time in the heart of an enchanted forest, there lived a beautiful little girl named Lily and her magical white bunny Moonbeam. One day, a mischievous group of pixies cast a spell of silence over the land, causing all the forest creatures to lose their voices. Determined to help her friends, Lily and Moonbeam set out on a quest to find the source of the enchantment. Along the way, they encountered a wise old fox who guided them through the shadowed paths, a gentle unicorn who bestowed upon them the gift of courage, and a playful family of fairies who sprinkled them with glittering stardust. With each magical encounter, Lily and Moonbeam grew stronger in their resolve, and together they broke the spell of silence, restoring the voices of the forest creatures.